All right, so we're in Austin. Last time I did a video, we were shutting down the design lab in Vegas. I was moving out to work for a 3D printing startup in Austin, Texas. I finally moved down here and I was able to find a space. Anybody who's done anything like this knows that it's really difficult to find the perfect spot. I like these like small little buildings or warehouses or whatever that let me do a lot of really cool things, a lot of neat tools, but I also want the ability to have like some culture around it, some neat environments that kind of inspire my work. I think that's essentially fuel for any creative designer. So I found what I think is the perfect space. Now, it needs a lot of work. It's small. It's about a 200 square foot building on the east side of Austin, Texas, semi close to downtown. But I think it's gonna be really cool. I used to really want a giant shop, but as I've built things over the years, I've kind of decided that I like these small environments. I like seeing how much technology and how much capability I can design into these spaces. It presents some really neat design challenges. So I've got, I think, the perfect spot. I just wanted to show it to you. I wanted a really good basis for where I'm starting. This time I really want to document what it takes to build one of these urban design spaces. So we're starting from ground zero. There's quite a bit of work that needs to be done. I need to get into some wiring and some infrastructure stuff, so it won't all be super interesting, but I just thought I would document the whole process. So in case anybody's looking to do something similar, maybe this will help. So this first video, I'm just going to show you some shots of the new space, and you can get an idea of what I'm starting with.